Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, let's learn a Python program, that is design a Python program which will throw exception if the value entered by user is less than 0. So we will ask a user to enter a number. So if the value of that particular number is less than 0, so we have to throw an exception, that is a user defined exception. So that is a problem statement. So let's try to solve this. So first we will be defining a class, that is a exception class, and inheriting the exception. So let's define, that is class, and let's give some user defined name, that is less than 0 error. So this is my user defined class and I have to inherit the exception class. So yeah, and in the body of the class, so let's use a pass statement. So we'll be not writing any code, just inherit the exception class. So in the main program, so we will use a try block to ask a user to enter the number, and use the if statement to raise the above exception. Let's use a try, and let's use a variable, that is number, and use the input function call to ask a user to enter a number. Enter a number, and once the user enters the number, so it will be of a string type. So let's convert it into a floating type variable, and let's store this into a number variable. Yeah, so once we get the variable, that is a floating point type, so let's check if value is less than 0. So use the if statement and check if the value of the number is less than 0. So then what you have to do is raise a exception. So let's use a raise keyword, and whatever we have defined, that is a exception, less than 0 exception, and let's give some error message. So let's say error, the given number is less than 0. Yeah, so this is the error message that will be passing to the except block. And if the number is greater than 0 or positive, so let's use the else block and do the further processing that we need. So let's use else, and let's print the given number is equal to or greater than 0. Yeah, so this is for the successful scenario. So now we need to accept this error message that we are passing. So let's use a expect block, and let's use less than 0 as e. So this is the exception message that we are catching, and let's print the exception message, that is a e. Yeah, so this is a Python program which will throw an exception if the value entered by user is less than 0. So let me run this program and let me show you how it works. So enter a number, so let's give 3. So you can see the given number is equals to 0 or positive. So the number is just 3, that means it is a positive, that is above 0. Let me execute it again, and here let's give 0. So you can see the given number is equals to 0 or positive. So let me re-execute it, and now let's give negative number, that is minus 12. So you can see the error has been printed, that is exception has been raised, and the given number is less than 0. So that means the exception has been caught, that is a user defined exception. Yeah, so this is a complete Python program which will throw exception if the value entered by user is less than 0. So I'll give this code in the description of this video. So that's it in this video. Hope you liked it. Thank you for watching. Bye.